How to monetize your YouTube channel in 1 month by sharing only 20 Shorts videos. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to OK Rules. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, I'm going to share a secret formula to monetize your YouTube channel in just 1 month by sharing only 20 Shorts videos. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's dive in. First things first, let's break down why YouTube Shorts are a game changer. Shorts are vertical, short-form videos that are less than 60 seconds long. They're designed for quick consumption and are highly engaging. Plus, YouTube is pushing Shorts heavily right now, which means more visibility for your content. Step 1. Research trending topics. The first step is to research trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube's trending tab, and social media to see what's hot. Focus on topics that resonate with your niche. Remember, relevancy is key. Step 2. Create engaging content. Next, it's all about the content. Your Shorts need to be engaging from the get-go. Use eye-catching visuals, strong hooks, and keep it snappy. Here are a few ideas: quick tutorials, funny moments, behind the scenes, or even motivational quotes. Step 3. Optimize your titles and descriptions. Optimization is crucial. Use catchy titles and relevant keywords in your descriptions. This helps with discoverability. Also, don't forget to use hashtags like Nasher's Shorts to get into the Shorts feed. Step 4. Consistent posting schedule. Consistency is key. Post your 20 Shorts videos consistently throughout the month. You can schedule them using YouTube's scheduling feature to maintain a steady flow of content. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Engagement is a two-way street. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your videos. Step 6. Monitor analytics and adjust. Lastly, keep an eye on your analytics. See what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy accordingly. YouTube Analytics will give you insights into which videos are performing well and why. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to monetizing your YouTube channel in just 1 month with only 20 Shorts videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what strategies you're using to grow your channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.